Young St. Mary couple charged with Andaman's murder. Court upholds conviction in grisly murder of 11-year-old. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. St. Mary couple will have to answer to murder charges following the death of Andaman Romain Chin 2 Sundays ago in St. Anne. Chin is said to be the woman's ex-boyfriend. They are 23-year-old Damian Thompson, a fisherman, and Felicia Brown, 27. They are both off Cox Street in Port Maria, St. Mary. Thompson is also of an Oteria St. Anne address. Reports from the police are that about 1:10 a.m. on November 19, the couple was at a section of the Custer Drive in St. Anne when Chin, who was from Main Street in Oterias, came to the location. An argument reportedly developed between 31-year-old Chin and the woman, and her partner intervened and reportedly used a knife to stab Chin several times. Chin was taken to the hospital where he succumbed to his injuries while undergoing treatment. A report was made to the police, and on November 26, they were charged. A court date is being finalized for the couple, the police stated. A Manchester man who murdered an 11-year-old with the help of his girlfriend, the boy's sister, has lost his appeal against his conviction and also failed to have his 26-year pre-parole sentence reduced. The killer, Kayode Garwood, who claimed his lover had asked him to murder her parents and brother, had cut Tariq Gregory's throat twice, stabbed him twice, and struck him multiple times in the head with a bat.